Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today I want to talk about what I see again for social media. This our Nollywood actress Regina Daniel, where they go viral right now for social media. Please do bear with me. I'll be back. Alright, my brothers and sisters, you're welcome back to my universe. If it's your first time watching my video, please do me a favor, subscribe to watch more of my video, hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have opinion to share with my brothers and sisters. So my old subscribers that keep coming back to watch my video, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for your positive energy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. May the good spirit guide and protect you. May the good spirit guide your going out and your coming in. May the good spirit give you more wisdom and understanding to see from people's points of view, to make you use your own positive idea, your positive way of seeing things, to see from people's point of view. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. With that being said, I want to talk about this our beautiful sister Regina Daniel. We marry our daddy, we marry our father, we marry our uncle, we marry our grandfather. This man, politician, according to the rumor, na billionaire. According to the rumor, na billionaire, he get the money reached it. In fact, I said they thought to una so the money they smell reach where I believe say you they feel the smell. I believe say you they hear the smell. So I like giving my opinion. So my new friends, I like giving my opinion. I like seeing things on social media to see how I fit a beg my generation, how fit a beg my brothers and sisters, how fit a beg them to please see from my point of view, how fit a make different, how fit a make good seed, how fit to be good seed for my generation. I like bringing it out. I like bringing what I see on social media to see how I fit to make my brothers and sisters see from my own point of view. I know they say na me know all. I know they say I too know. As you get your opinion, that's why I get my opinion. We won't start to share our opinion together. Believe me, you will make this our planet a better place. Because your opinion, my opinion together, we go feel use and take build paradise. Your opinion and my opinion with another person's opinion, it don't be three opinion. We go use and take work fast. So I hope you understand. I hope you don't take this my video personal. I hope you don't take any of my video personal. I hope you just see and know that all of us are human beings. We are bound to make mistake. I hope you just know, say all of us are human beings. We are here to judge and correct each other. So please forget and throw away that phrase for being don't judge. Please, all of us, the judge. You don't get one person for this word we're not the judge. So let's stop deceiving ourselves by using that phrase, don't judge. When we not judge, we not feel correct people, we not feel correct the next generation not to do things where we they repeat every time. So what would they repeat every time? Mistake where we they repeat, we they lay on them for our children, our neighbors' children, our neighbors' children to copy from. Now make all this generation cost, now make all this difficulty, not the finish. Now go make you and me speak out when we see things where not go well, when we see things where not they go right. I hope you understand. I hope you just summon the best and good side of you. I hope you summon the good side of you to see from my own point of view. So this my sister, everybody they talk about I want to talk about this is my opinion and I'm entitled to it, just as you they entitled to any comments where you will leave below this video. Just as you they entitled to your opinion where you want to leave under this video. If I not give my opinion, who I help? If I not give my opinion, waiting again. So I believe say my opinion somebody somewhere will see reasons for me. Somebody somewhere will try use them to teach a picking, or use them to coach itself, or see whether if he just use and to make video and still correct me for where he or she thinks say I for still go wrong. Nobody know I'm all. Everybody they made mistake. We hear me for the fee now say I know I'm right. Somebody somewhere still there we go think say no, this babe fuck up for you. This girl not supposed to come for you. Leave her under. Let me still learn from you. Let me see from your paradise. Let me see from your universe. Let me see the way you reason as well. So I hope you understand. So this my sister, people they blame her, she's a gold digger, she's a this, she's a that. People they blame the mother, and I will still use this opportunity to talk about Daddy Freeze. Somebody sent me Daddy Freeze video when in make about this saga as well, his own opinion, waiting in things. Somebody send a call for me. I will see the address and lead you. You know, I go the address and lead you because all of us not human being, because all of us not they think the same. All of us we made mistake. All of us we they think say now the way we take they do things not the right way. But if you still see waiting on right, still point them out. Maybe just maybe in go still reason and go the way in be no reason and go. I don't hate Daddy Freeze. I love him in person. I love him as a human being. I love him as a brother. I love him because they expose people to the truth. I not agree with something when he talk, but I believe say he gets his own reason what to make and talk. And this video, not this live video, this video what they make, not they let us they explain well what it will mean. But waiting I understand for your own side of waiting I understand from waiting in when they try talk, I will point them out. I would still touch and small. Help me share my video. Share. I beg you. Share to your brother, share to your sister, share to your enemy. Share. Make we like more would they use like this till they repair the world. More use like this till they help each other. I beg you to please help me. I beg you to contribute to my success. I beg you to please share positive message. Not just look at me, you just say okay, she makes sense, may you just live on there. As it makes sense to you, believe me, you somebody there somewhere where they act like this, we need to still see her. This message still fit be for somebody from your list. This message fit be for somebody for your family. We never can tell who we are helping with our opinion, who we are helping with our talk. I hope you understand. So let me go to the main issue. What if I make me come before I address that my big bro son Daddy Freeze. This girl, everybody they blame her, everybody they say she's a gold digger, the mother not train her well, and we they forget something. Say the society don't make us be like this. The society make us they worship money. Society make us understand. Say God create all of us to come look for money. Now be waiting all of us they forget. This girl to her now she's enjoying the best part of her life. This Regina right now they feel say man now you don't know what you they talk. You are jealous about her. Now go make all of us point out what we see we not right because of my own picking, because of your picking, because she they cruise this life now. She they live this expensive world now. There are people, there are children where they see her for social media, we just love our lifestyle, we want be like her. Now go make you and me talk come out. Make we not applaud her put. Make we not say no, this thing where she they do so good. But I know say in her life, I know say she's entitled to anything where she choose for her life. I not blame her. I don't blame her. This is my opinion, and please leave your opinion below. I don't blame her. I not to blame the mother too, because why? The mother is a victim of a society where make us believe say without you not get money you are nothing. She dey enslave her pikin without knowing it because she's benefiting from it. She don't know, she's just a victim. The main person wey me personally blame is the man. The man is a politician, is a lawyer. So in and the reason why Nigeria be like this, in and the one of the people wey pollute our mind say if you not get money you are useless. If you not get money you are nobody. Now suppose educate this child of all the money we don't get. They say na billionaire. As I they talk, so if you see as the money they was reach where I did, as a billionaire, is not still happy, is not still contented with himself, is not still pleased with what he have. He still needs small pikin to make him dey okay, and he's still not okay. He's still not okay. Now this man na be the bad man inside here. Now this man na be the greedy man inside here. Not be this girl, not be Regina. Not be Regina. Regina is just a victim to a society where make me and you believe, say, man, if you not get money, your mates would ride on you. They not teach us, they not make us understand, say, your peace gives you joy. He don't spoil this girl with money. He don't scatter this girl life with gifts, with expensive things. Just imagine, before now that they said the girl, some they say na 19, some they say na 18 or 19, she's still young. If you feel, just tell yourself the truth, my brothers and sisters, especially you where don't date 30 years above, from 30 years. Now we say 25, 26, 27, not join. But I just want to make points. Say make those 30, from 30 years, we don't think, say, oh, we need to marry. We don't think, say, oh, we need to do things. 30 years upwards, we don't regret some things where we do when we did for 18, 19 years. When me did for that age, there are some things I did when I regret right now. If I can turn back the ends of time, I will go back, go change everything when I do. Because I don't know reach. Now that age, now that stage of, oh, na me know all. Oh, mommy not talk to me, you don't understand. Now she did so. And the mother, I not to blame the mother, because when small pikin be the breadwinner of the family, you really have nothing to say. When small pikin they pump money enter house, now she be the central bank. So what you want the central bank where be the source of the income for the family? This girl started moving from small pikin. She start to they exposed to the world from early age. From her early age, I just hope you understand. I hope you see from my point of view. She started from a very teenage age to be exposed to this expensive life, to this kind of life, to the mingle with people where they wear to match, where not they wear about. They do competition with people where don't arrive, and she's a child. What do you expect from a child where in mind don't they polluted? Say if you not get money, you are nothing. She they exposed to all these Nollywood stars where they do competition within themselves. So for her mind, now she must be like somebody where she they look up to. She must be like somebody where be a role model for the industry, for the Nollywood industry. That is what we still don't get. The society we live in pollutes our children. When I tell some people, say, let children be children. Let children be children. Let children play. I enjoy my childhood. I play boju boju. I play mababa. I play everything where pikin don't they play. But children who they born today, look, all of them, we they deprive them of that their childhood. We they rob them from what they're supposed to do as a child. Now the same thing they happen to this girl. This girl is just in her world of, oh yes, waiting at the plan put, whether I pray put, it don't really happen. Now this man, all of us go on camera, tell our men or our women. I'm not saying, I know they try talking to only men. Some women does it too. Some women they abuse men too. This is child abuse. Some women they do want to small boys for the industry too. Some women they do and say, oh, this, you understand what they try to talk. So this girl has been exposed to expensive world. This girl has been exposed. She wasn't allowed to be a child. She wasn't allowed to experience life. She just enter competition role. So inside that superstar, believe me, inside that superstar, I must get everything. Now she don't dey VIP, she don't dey red carpet. How you don't want, may she not say arrive when everything where she they think about now money. With all this saga for her age, what did she just think to do now to flaunt a Ferrari? What if she just decide to do not to, okay, since they talk that one and their life, all these people they jealous me, not knowing say they are talking for our own benefit, not knowing say they are talking for our own sake. This is not love. This is not life. This will not be life. If we learn anything from history, many people will marry all this sugar daddy, many people will marry sugar mommy. Look as they end. No one end well. No one end happily. No one. With respect to Melania Trump. See Melania is not happy. Trump, wife, First Lady of America, she is not happy. With all the money where Trump gets, she is not happy. So history don't teach us. Say you can never be happy with money, because money not be why God creates all of us. When we start to teach people, when we start to tell people, say money is not the ultimate. Your peace of mind, your happiness. Your happiness now make you dey fulfill. Not be money. Money not they make person fulfill. Money not they make person they happy. I know and I know what I'm talking about. I never get money once rich as this girl get money, but the little when I get don't teach me. And from history, I don't see say money not make you they happy. That is what they are supposed to teach us. That is what we are supposed to teach people. Not be say make we live is our life. Oh, now mama fault. Our mother is still a victim of the wicked society. Our mother is a victim of, oh, if I not get money, I'm nobody. If I not get money, I'm nobody. Now this man, this millionaire, this man, they say na 59 years 9 days. Me personally, they dash on 1 year join her now, make it just be 60 years. So waiting me, I personally they imagine if you marry this girl at the age of 18 or 19 years, you've been cruising her for underage, you've been abusing her, you've been brainwashing her, you've been deceiving. This man has been deceiving her with expensive gifts wey make the girl come dey carried away, wey make the mother come dey carried away. If the truth must be told, many of us, many people where they say, oh man, this girl na go digger, now this girl na this girl na that. Believe me, many people will leave their husband house just to be with this man, because our mind has been polluted. Our mind na money. You need to have money. You need to have money by fire, by force. You need to be rich by fire, by force. We forget, say that is not the reason why we were created. Some people, they would just say, leave your husband house, leave your wife, come they follow me cruise for private jets, they go do them. So make all of us rethink, make all of us know what we they teach, make all of us know what we they do. I beg you all in the name of God, I beg you all in the name of whatever you believe, with all due respect to each and every one of you out there. The problem when I see for you now, the way that they bring this girl up, I not to blame the mother, because the mother is a victim of a society where tell us say money are the ultimate. Make all of us look ourselves for mirror and ask one question: why they create us? Why it be say all of us they exist? Now because of God just create us more on this earth, can look for money. May we ask ourselves that question. If now money God say we can't look for, now because of money God create us, why it be say if we die, the money they follow us, they go heaven? If now money God wants, why he not just print them by himself? I don't believe say we come this earth, can't look for money, but because of the evils we there for this world, because of the evil spirits we too many for this world, they distract us with all these fancy things. They distract us with parties, with flashy things, with dressing, with gauging, with things of the world, and I tell they deceive us. I believe personally say all of us, I believe personally say all of us get purpose will take on this life. I believe say the good souls we are sent to this earth to come save the good angels when don't they lost. I believe say God, the good spirits, create all of us, send all of us on this earth to come save the souls we don't lost, we don't they carried away by the flashy things of the world. This body, all of us borrow. We where they talk so. Now the soul way they inside us. This body is borrowed. You know, they imagine and say, when we sleep, when we dey sleep, wetin dey happen to our body when we sleep? Why people say we no dey know wetin dey happen again? Where we dey go? Who dey wetin that's okay? Oh God, how do I explain this thing? If you dey sleep, you don't ever imagine and say, wetin dey make you dream? You don't ever imagine and say where you dey go when you don't sleep. You don't ever imagine and say, why e be say they no dey bury us with everything we don't acquire for this world? Why e be say they no dey carry anything, they no dey give us the money, don't they carry the money follow us? Why we not they look history? People wey get this money too much, were they happy before they leave? The greedy ones. If this man with all the money we get with 6 wives is still not happy, make we just get as we won't just get expo from this man. Say money not they make person they happy. Make we teach other people, children, say money not they make you they happy. There is a purpose we all were created. There is a purpose all of us they exist. There is a purpose. That purpose I personally believe say now make we as the good souls, as the good people, as a positive energy to save the lost souls, to remember waiting they were created for. I believe say our purpose now to save other souls, not be to carry them go church, to tell them say no, you are here for a purpose. Save other person where they dance, they go darkness, where not remember waiting they do for this world, where not they ask itself, why am I created? Why God go just send me on this world? For what purpose? Why am I existing? Who I want help? You want to help somebody like this my sister that is going astray right now. Believe me, you, these things where she dey flaunt now, give her 10 years, fear no will let her reach the company where they do Ferrari car. When I dey her age, believe me, you, what she dey do, so I go do worst. I go do worst. The mother, I not to blame her. I blame her small because she don't still grow. I not to blame her because she too na still victim of, oh, I not get money, I want get everything. Oh, my daughter na the key. Now my daughter na the blessing where God sent come open this door for me, because all of us believe on different things. Believing makes us humans. So anything will just happen, we believe in our God. To her, God use this our daughter, can't say bless her. Now that's man we get everything, we decide to ruin small pikin life, we decide to destroy somebody's soul, we decide to distract small pikin from waiting God really send and can do for this earth. He is a politician. He is according to them, he is a politician and is a lawyer or a judge. I don't know. He waited. May law not come blast year. He wait make he complete 18 years first before he do the marriage. Allegedly, I don't know. They say he married with all the pictures and everything where they go on now for everything where they fly for social media. They say he married. Allegedly married 18 or 19 years old. He's too young. If this man feel marry somebody like Regina, if this man feel sleep with somebody like Regina, naked, lie down on top somebody like Regina, believe me, you, there is 50% chance if he get opportunity, if he sleep with his own daughter. If he sleep with your own daughter, I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you don't take it personal. I hope you help other people to bring up their child in a proper way, to tell them, say, you can never be happy when you have money, but you will be happy when you are at peace with yourself. You will be happy when you find sweet love like you. Now age mate not supposed to waka, age mate not supposed to be pair. I don't believe say somebody like this man we are created to marry this young girl. They don't be the same generation now. They not be the same generation. So my brothers and sisters, where they talk, say, oh, God know why she's happy. She's happy for now because she's still a teenager. Teenager in the sense that she's still young. She's not underage. She's still young. When you did this age, imagine what you do that time. Imagine the crazy stuff what you do that time. Just imagine. So imagine her for this girl. I call her child because when I did this age, I do worst. When I did this, do worst in the sense that my craze not be here. My craze not go, now be. So I imagine her from my own experience, what she is passing through, what she is going through, what is going through her head right now. She feel now saying that she be Queen Elizabeth. You the jealous her. Make all of us make her understand. We not the jealous you. We just want the best in you to come out. We just want all these flashing things where the evil spirit they deceive you. Just leave the way and let you save the soul where God send you, may you can save. Putting smiles on people's face is a good calling. Acting, moving is a good calling because you give people reason to live. It all depends on the role where you play. But evil spirits come in human form, which is this old man, come to distract her. Excuse me. This man come in human form. This evil come in human form. With all due respect to this man, is my elder. I respect my elders a lot, but this thing where you do so is a very wrong thing. The evil in this man come to distract her from her calling. So why I talk about Daddy Freeze, the video where they sent call for me for Daddy Freeze on, Daddy Freeze was like talking about this girl say na way na choice, but he not go allow he pikin do this kind of thing. Is a free word, is this, is that, with respect to Daddy Freeze. And one other girl can deliberate on the issue for a radio show, and he can talk one word wait draw my attention. Say if our forefathers, if our mothers, our grandmothers, if our grandfather and our grandmothers, if they marry more than one wife, if it was not wrong then, why is it wrong now? Why is it wrong now? I know they talk this thing to bully Daddy Freeze. I hope you understand. I beg you. Even me, sometimes people where they like put thumbs up for me, people where they give me positive energy. There are some things I will say you will not agree with me. You know me say I bad, or you know me say I be wicked person, or you na wicked person will not agree with me. No, because we get different opinion. Because I not agree with Daddy Freeze does not really mean, I repeat, does not really, I know they try talk say na bad person. No, just that I not agree with in opinion. That is what I'm trying to in talk say if he not dey wrong that time, why he dey wrong now? He dey wrong now, Daddy Freeze, because he not work that time. He dey wrong now, say make elderly person like this they cruise small pikin. E dey wrong. Polygamous home dey wrong because e dey give women heartbreak. They make the men they get long life. They make the men they live fine. How you want to satisfy girl of 16 years? Girl of 18, 19 years? How you want to satisfy them? It's not working. That is why our generation, that is why we have to speak love. That is why we have to change those things, because it was bad then and it still is bad now. That is why we are children of rebel. That is why we have to write. That is why, because it not work that time, now go make us rewrite history. Now go make us make things work for the next generation. Not to repeat this thing where they do so. Not to repeat this thing where this man they do so. Because Daddy Freeze, if Daddy Freeze continue to use this phrase, like if it's not wrong, then why is it wrong now? If he continue to use it, you're just telling my child, telling other children, other people's children, that there is nothing wrong with it. You say something wrong with and say you not fit allow your pikin marry him, you not fit allow your pikin do that kind of thing. But because many of us look up to you, many people will say, Daddy Freeze say if nothing was wrong with it, if nothing was wrong with it that time, you don't think something is wrong with it now. 1,000 things is wrong with it, sir. 1,001 thing is wrong with it. To date polygamous home, to marry two wives is not fair, because it not work for that time, because our mother go with different heartbreaks, because they not fit talk that time, not make them right, because because we not see them ask what was going through their mind, say they not talk come out, not me say they not gonna feel the pain. So I disagree with Daddy Freeze. Say if you not dey wrong that time, why you go dey wrong now? It dey wrong now because it is wrong. It dey wrong now because we dey here to correct the bad things where our ancestors, where our forefathers do in the past. Now make us dey here to speak out to correct things where they do. Now make us dey here to correct things where they do. Now make us there to say no to all these things. Now make us be new generation. We don't want to make something of 10 years, 50 years ago can affect us now. Because all of us know they speak out. Now make the thing they repeat. Now make the generation cause they rewind. Now make come with the roll for this our bubble continuously. Now this one will do one, tomorrow that one will do one because you get money. If you say if you marry 50 women, some women we allow it because our mind has been polluted. We don't know why we are created. We don't know the reason why we exist. We just feel saying that because of money. We just feel saying that because of money, now God creates all of us. Look history. What did history tell us? Look history. What did history tell us? Egyptians, where they buried then, where they buried many years ago, with treasures, with gold, with diamond, with treasures, expensive treasures, they bury them with them because for their mind, another life, they will use those treasures, they will use those expensive things where they carry follow them for grave. Now when they open the tumbas, now tumbas that they call them, now when they open the grave, all those wealths, all those gold, all those diamond, all those expensive things where they carry follow them, is still there. All those expensive things still there for grave, but the flesh don't come out because the spirit not get anything to do with all these material things all of us they acquire. The bones there, they still see those treasures there. So that is that one reached for us to do sober reflection. That one reached for us to say, money not be anything. I mean, I know the value money. People who know me will tell you, say, I not send money. Because I don't see things where money don't cost. I don't see distraction. I don't see evil things where money they cost. I don't see. Oh, you not feel understand. You not feel understand. I don't respect money. I don't respect money. I don't worship money. I don't worship money. I don't know how to say it. So my main fear for here now. Not be my main fear now waiting this man they do to this girl. This girl to me, she not there after the love making aspect. She's just okay with this wet what she gets because now waiting the society make her understand. My problem now when this man die tomorrow, when this something happen to this man, I don't pray me anything happen to him with respect to all the family. You know, not me say because say you old will make you quick die. No, but as law of life supposed be now, fair con life supposed fair die. But as life can't just pollute now, evil don't fall everywhere. Now children they fair die before elders. But if something can happen to this man or the marriage not can work tomorrow, with the reason at all say this man don't cage this girl not go day after love making again. What if the man will want marry on tomorrow? What if that man are just the who guy now the guy will be say man in for that side now not go area and she not gonna deprive the man because she is not used to that kind of thing. Even the reason I say now problem now she they create for the man where she will marry tomorrow. We know the reason now. So because of this one I go make all of us cry out. She go just stay happy because she's still young. I don't believe say she don't even reach her orgasm or reach 50 tenses where they born her. You understand? So I don't believe say she they look that aspect. I don't believe say she would think say this man not satisfy me. She don't they look that aspect. But waiting me I they look now her future when she don't they used to this. No, since she not they used to ram. So man will she'll come meet tomorrow. If he can't get that problem, she can't get that problem where be say she not go there. She not love making not go they freak her. They punish her husband. That is what. Now that one they bother me because many of our women they give their husband that stress. They like make their husband play their duty. They know they make their husband feel them because of their past relationship, because of the man where they fair go out with, because of the woman where they fair go out with. We're not just like they agile, not the day smart for those kinds of things, not just the reason. And not be say they don't love them, but because they are used to it, because their brain don't they used to say that one not be anything. Now something because God do and maybe something. It they give us anti-stress for body. When you reach that orgasm, it they give you anti-stress for body. It will make you young. Where when I make women they quick fair old past men. Not be say because say God do and make women fair old. Some women not they reach their orgasm. Some women not just they reach that Some women not they reach them. So if you not reach them, they make us quick old. Some people don't know. So I hope you understand. Now they make some daughters. They tell some women say go meet man, go make love with man, try get boyfriend. But some women still don't understand. Say now that orgasm, now daughter want me you reach, may you for treat yourself by yourself, get orgasm. The men they in fact that they get on 24 hours, I want they had before it come. You need to love somebody to that extent for run to fit reach that area. You know understand? So when you reach that area, you don't need cream. For real, you don't need cream. Your yours they shine. People will see you say you they happy. Now when you not reach that area where you supposed to reach, now you they always they nervous. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I don't hate that the freeze. Just that I disagree. Just that I disagree with opinion, just as you will still disagree with my opinion. Just as you will still disagree with my opinion. Now make all of us different. Now make me the beg all of us to bring our opinion together to make this beautiful garden, which is earth, great. More make them beautiful, because your opinion is there to make this paradise good. Your brain is there to give out to people. Your wisdom there. God give you wisdom to take help on another person picking, not be always money. Your wisdom, your talk, your belief, the way you say they see things might or can help somebody out there. I hope you understand. I hope you see from my own point of view. I hope you don't take it personal. I hope you don't just take it personal. If this my video make you vex, if this my video bring out the best in you, if this my video not make sense to you, don't worry my brother, help me share it. It will make sense to some, it will make sense to at least one person for your list. Get on, just believe, just know, say all message not be for everybody. You feel vex for this one today, believe me, you tomorrow the one when I go do, you feel make sense out of one. More not the vex for nothing. More make all of us let peace reign. If this video offend you, it wasn't intentional. I'd be one make you laugh, I be one make you see reason with me, I be one make you like see say not be Regina fault, not be Regina fault, not be a mama fault. Now that politician, that lawyer will join scatter that country fault. Now he know say money not be everything, and he refused to teach his own daughter. I believe say that my first child senior this Regina. I know say na brainwashing things, brainwashing. Oh God, you don't want to know what in brainwash they do to people. You don't want to know how money they fit control person. If money will not reach 15,000, fit control me when I never reach 18 years. Imagine somebody with a buy Ferrari for. Imagine somebody if he just like do like this, he go build a house for you, he go dash you car. Imagine how that kind of money they do. I hope you understand. I hope you know I don't hate you. I know you know I don't hate this girl. I hope you know I don't hate Regina. I hope you know I don't hate this politician old man. With respect to the family, he's old. This man and the Regina mama, they not be mates. This man senior Regina mama. So I hope you understand. I hope you receive my message with peace and love. Till I come your way next time. This is Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Don't take it personal. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of whatever you believe. Make all of us let love reign. Till I come your way next time. Till I upload the next video. Love you.